You what this little ImageMate Scandisk looks like when you open it. It's just a standard 64GB Scandisk, and I needed a new Scandisk for my camera because I've been using a 32GB. I have a couple of those, but they're excited. I need to get a bigger. I was looking for a 120, but I didn't want to order it online, so I just went to Walmart and I got this for $11, which honestly is a pretty good deal. Not bad at all, I would say. They also sell, like, you know, the micro Scandisk, but I didn't want a micro Scandisk. I just want, because this is the Canon camera that I use on a lot of my videos. And PowerShot SX530 HS. I've had it since September 2016. It's a good little camera. I'm filming this with my Android phone. So, you just open it. It's a very standard little Scandisk. See? Very standard. And to put it in my particular camera, you just open this right here. And there's these prongs right here. So you want them to face that side. So you open it like that. You stick it in the slot. You push it down. Close the lid. And now you can take a picture. Okay. Thanks for watching.